Hello, today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Sonar, a tool which will streamline and route different audio services into different channels, then into OBS. The first thing we need to do is go to the website and then go ahead and download the software. Once you download it, just go ahead and agree to the setup and put it into your download folder or a folder onto your desktop. And there you have it. Once we do that, we'll have to sign up for an account. If you don't have an account, you can skip it for now, but in this case, I'll go ahead and sign up. Now, once we sign up, the first thing that's going to pop up is to click on continue to register, and then it's going to open a couple of boxes here. Once you click on Sonar, it'll ask you to get started, and this is where we're going to, here it's going to basically select your game output. In this case, I'm going to use my headset, then the chat output, which is my microphone. Make sure that's correct, and then you see your inputs. Actually, that's my microphone. Then you'll see that everything you can change later, but it's all ready to be routed. Here we have the master, game, chat, media, aux, or microphone. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on streamer mode. And on the left, you'll see the master. And basically you start selecting where the stream mix audio is going through. This is my headsets for personal mix and stream, and my mic input is all set up there as well. Now we open up OBS, click on audio, and here we want to disable everything except mic auxiliary audio. You want to set this to Steel Series, Sonar, Stream, Virtual Audio Devices. Then we go ahead and click Apply, and then you'll notice on the bottom in OBS, the mic auxiliary will start moving. That means the audio is working. And if you could turn it to a set of horizontally, if you want to change it to vertically, you can as well. Either or is fine. I'm also going to run desktop audio, and you'll hear that, and you'll see that moving as well. So once we go back into Sonar, we could start running a game. On the bottom here, you'll see I'm running Eve, and the audio is being controlled by the slider. And the media I have is Google Chrome. I'm running an audio. I'm running something on YouTube, which is music. And the most important thing here is we want to put on streamer mode so you can see both channels. One is for streamer and one is your headset. So this is where the magic begins. You want to make sure that you click on add to stream mix and add to personal mix. That way you can hear yourself through your own headsets as well as what your live audience hears as well. And this is where, like I said earlier, the beauty of this product works really well because you can hear what the streamers are hearing and with the sliders here. If you wanted to lower it, you can, or make it balanced, or depending on what the action is going on in the actual story or whatever what stream you're having, you can control the outputs. You can control the level of the outputs. Let's go into the audio mixer, and I've named it Stream in OBS. Here it's made vertically. Now here's another wonderful feature of this product, and that is the customization of how your microphone is configured. I'll click on mic, and here you can use the configuration for all types of styles and presets. To your voice, from clarity to low, deep voice. You can even control it manually by the sliders or the bell curve here. You want to do clear cast noise cancellation, which is very important. That'll wipe out all the noise in the background. You have noise reduction. We have compressor. Basically, these sliders control to your liking. You have a great customization there. We have a slider here for the Clearcast noise cancellation, and the beauty of noise gate, basically it only responds when you speak. The audio will not appear, the audio will not work, and it only appears when you're talking. That is the beauty of this product. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.